this unusually large man, then you are likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
Got the generator.
You're all heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Did you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.